Okay, turn off that flash. Yeah, this is Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop. I'm just going to show you my little key cutting setup for cutting keys by code. I'm sure most guys have something like this, but I figured I'd do a video. We're doing an FR, which is a steel case, FR 417 key. I'm going to go down to utility. Make sure that's focused. There we go. Utility lock, and we'll do a search. Yep, steel case. I'm going to click OK. Oh, view key data. Okay. And it's telling me if the setup for framing. I'm going to use my silica machine. Go down here to silica. Okay, it tells me the card number is going to be 561. So we'll go over to my silica machine. Enter in a card. I'm going to enter 561. Now this will also do HPC cards too. So whether let's say it didn't have a card for this, I could tell the machine HPC card on here. Like I'll show you. We can go here. We go HPC, which the card is going to be the punch 1200 cutter. Oh, that is a C5 card, I think. Yeah, C5 card. So but I always just go to Ilco because it's an Ilca silica machine, and I use that number. And we'll hit enter. And then it wants to know the cuts, and I just transfer them from the screen here over to this screen. So it's 3 3 3 5 3 1 3 3 3 5 3 1. Enter. Okay. And key blank numbers AP1, which is K101. Let's see, go up here to my keys. That's a crappy looking one. We'll give them a nice looking one if we got one, which we don't, so we'll give them a crappy looking one. A lot of these keys that look all tarnished, I got a deal on them or something, so they're not the shiniest, but they'll work fine. Okay, so we're just going to clamp this up here. Okay, there we go. Okay, got it clamped. Or quantity 2. Let's start. That's how quick it is. And that's it. That's just how we cut keys by code. And that's with my silica machine. Now there is other software that you could use. I'm using generic code. I've just always used this. So the only thing is it doesn't transfer. It doesn't transfer from this to the silica machine. On my ITL machine, the RS-232 cable will transfer the information. But this you actually have to manually transfer it over. So basically what you do is you have to have your updates for this. You gotta have your machine updated so you have the latest cards, because you update this and it has all the cards, and you have to have this updated too. If it hooked directly on where it sent the information from the computer, you wouldn't have to update your machine. But otherwise, Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop signing off.